Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Chainlink has partnered with payments provider MasterCard to allow the credit card company's 3 billion cardholders to buy crypto on-chain. MasterCard has embraced crypto in 2024 and 2025, mostly through the issuance of cards that allow users to spend cryptocurrency at merchants. Shares of airlines rose on expectations that a ceasefire between Israel and Iran would hold. Airlines worldwide cancelled flights to several Middle Eastern destinations, including major international hubs such as Dubai and Doha, as several countries closed their airspace after Iran attacked the AIUD US military base in Qatar. Gold fell to hit an over 2-week low on Tuesday, as the announcement of a ceasefire between Iran and Israel dented safe haven demand for bullion. US gold futures settled 1.8% lower.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.